why you should clean your dryer hose at the back of your dryer more than once a year. Have you ever wondered why sometimes your dryer isn't working? Perhaps it's running a little hot. Perhaps it's not drying the towels. Perhaps the jeans are sitting in there rolling and rolling and rolling for hours. Well, I'll tell you, it's not just about cleaning this vent inside your dryer. It's about cleaning that silver hose at the back of the dryer. Because if you don't, this is what happened. This is just a small bunch of fuzz that we found in the back of the dryer vent in our dryer at one end. It had been clogging up and clogging up. We have not looked at this dryer vent for maybe 3 years now. And for heaven's sakes, we could have had a big fire in this house. Lesson learned, clean out your dryer vent and hose, the dryer hose, at least twice a year. Don't wait until it's too late. Follow for more tips and tricks.